Okay, so now it's been raining for about 2-3 hours, and what we found is that the the water is seeping in from the zippers here. See? So there's a lot of water in the tent, and there's nothing to stop it because the eaves, uh, I think it covers up up till this point, and some rain can hit the lower part of the wall on this side, and then the zipper is not waterproof, so the water is seeping in through the zippers, and it's water everywhere. You see, it's gonna be a long night. So water here, it's coming in through the zipper. Here. I just realized there's water coming in from here as well. A little bit, as you can see already along the seams. So basically where they're like sewing, you see the water, it's it's not waterproof. So the whole door is basically not waterproof. But up there is covered by the eave, so it's fine. But along here, it's not waterproof. But the water, because this is higher, the the water doesn't get in as much. But when it gets to the bottom part of it, you see, where the zipper is, it's becoming really bad. I think here, this is just a fabric. Uh, Not only is it not waterproof or resistant, it absorbs water. This yellow thing right here, and outside it's the same material, so it gets wet right there, and you know the water can just get accumulated on the fabric, and then eventually you know the water will come down. It's like this everywhere. It's horrible. I think there's a design issue because we don't have anything left from the package. We put everything on, and there's no way for us to rotate the rain cover in any way that will cover the door fully, because then we wouldn't be able to get out, right? And then the other sides will get wet pretty easily too without the rain cover outside, so we set it up correctly for sure. So this is most likely a design issue. The lower part of the door cannot be covered by the eave. Even if it does, right? Like if the van, goes sideways because of the wind, then the same problem can still occur. So this is a design issue. I think they need to use a different material for the zipper. Alright. Alright, we made it to the morning. The tent, it's still leaking water a lot, as you can see. Um, there is all water. That's a big puddle of water. It's all water down here. And I had to use like a sleeping pad to redirect the water so it doesn't get to, you know, the sleeping area. So the water is um, almost all in the bag. Um, yeah. So mostly here it's wet. This area and here, you know, here it's kind of wet too. But up here it's like no water at all. You see, it starts here from outside, and it leaks, you know, around the seams, and then obviously the zippers. So that's it. Um, and as you can see, like this side, um, the rain cover is set up correctly. We need it. The same goes with here and this side as well. So this is set up correctly. It's just the eaves from outside is not big enough to cover our tent. This is the eve, and it leaks from down here. So, oh, it's pretty beautiful outside. Alright, that's it. Alright folks, like you can see the red tent behind. So there's a flap to cover the zipper. So that one is waterproof, and this one is definitely not. So it leaks from here and all the way here. I figured it says it's for 3 seasons only. 3 seasons, so I guess it doesn't cover the rainy season. Alright, that's it folks. People are leaving already, including us.